I love to clean, and I love anything blue. I'm a huge fan of these Mrs. Meyer's products. I really like this new rainwater scent. The rainwater scent. This one is going to be my new go-to. Beautiful light scent. The scent, it comes in a 3-pack, by the way. This is a pack of 3. I distributed the other 2 in my cleaning caddies already. So this is the 3rd one, the rainwater. The scent, it is fresh, it is airy. The way to describe it is like clean laundry and springtime all mixed together. Really like it. Always like the Mrs. Meyer's products because this is multi-surface, of course. Countertops, bathroom sinks, baseboards, no streaks, no sticky film. And I like the packaging. It's light. I could carry it around with me in my caddy. It fits nicely under the sink. Always the safe and clean formula, biodegradable, cruelty-free, which for me matters. But would I buy it again? Absolutely. It works well. It smells amazing, and I don't have to worry about gross, harsh chemicals. This rainwater is going to be a must-have for everyday messes. And this one is going to stay on my rotation. Highly recommend.